Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your InstaPage account and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add a video into your InstaPage landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put a video on your landing page with InstaPage anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that adding a video, sometimes even testimonials, can help with your conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your InstaPage dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my InstaPage account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a video into one of your landing pages, first click here on the left, landing pages. Once you do that, you're going to see all the landing pages you have in InstaPage. I just have this one. And once you've chosen the landing page, just click on the page. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on Edit Design. All right, so once you do that, it's going to bring you to the InstaPage landing page editor. This is where you need to be. And in order to add a video into your landing page, you want to scroll down to the general area that you want the video to show up in. So let's see here. For example, if you want it right here, maybe we're going to put it up over here, the features. And then next, what you want to do in order to add a video is here on the left side. You want to scroll down until you see this kind of little video button. Just click on it. Once you do that, it's going to drop in the video player. So now you can go ahead and edit this. You want to move the video player to the section that you want it to show up. So maybe you want to put it right here between these two features. So that looks pretty good. And then let me move myself out of the way. All right, so next here on the right, this is where you can go ahead and add the video. So you're not going to be uploading the video into your InstaPage account. They're going to be hosted on either YouTube or Vimeo or wherever you have a link. So let me grab a YouTube video link. Okay, so here is another one of my videos, and I'm going to grab the YouTube video link. You're going to click on share. Also, a side note is you don't necessarily need to use your YouTube videos. If there's a good review on YouTube about your product, you can use that as well, as long as they have the share button turned on right here. So let me click on share, and then here is the link. So let me copy that, and then we're basically done here. Let me jump back to InstaPage. Okay, so here we are back on our landing page, and you're going to click into the video. And then here on the right, we're just going to change this link. So I'm going to triple click and then just paste it right in. And here for metadata, you can go ahead and add in the video title. So let's say add video InstaPage. Okay. And then here you can go ahead and turn off the progress bar, and that way your users can't fast forward ahead. And you can turn on auto play if you want, but just keep in mind a lot of browsers, they're going to mute it. So it's just going to be playing without any kind of sound. And also down here, you can go ahead and choose if it's going to be on desktop or mobile. For me, I'm going to leave it on both. Okay. And that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and move the video around if you want. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on save to keep that video in your InstaPage landing page. Right now it's going to let you know it's saved. And if you want to see what it looks like, click on preview. Okay. So here's a preview of my landing page, and let's scroll down to the YouTube video that we put right here. You can see that looks pretty good right here between the two different features. And then the user can go ahead and click on it and play it if they want to. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video into your InstaPage landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.